Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been such a long time since I posted, but anyway, here we are and I want to do a quick review. I got a foundation from Zaron. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I've applied it once or twice, and to be honest, no, let me not talk about that. I want to apply it, then you guys can tell me what you think. I got the shade, okay, I don't know if this is the shade pure perfection or control. Okay, I don't know, this is what I got. Yeah, it's perfect for my, I think it's perfect for my skin and my complexion. I've applied it once or twice and it was okay. Yeah, you guys will tell me what you think and if you've ever used this and how it is for our brown skin. Yeah, so let's get to it. Actually, I bought other things as well. I was going all out with this makeup thing. Feeling like I'm now a full set makeup artist, but anyways, depending on what you use, for me this works for me. Though I also have don't want you guys to see this. My makeup is just everywhere. I need a proper makeup bag. Anyway, yeah, so I'll use this one to blend the foundation. So here we go, Zaron. Where is this? Okay, so no, hold on. No foundation first. Guys, it's been such a long time. I almost forgot. I bought a primer. I don't know what this really does, but anyway, like I said earlier in the beginning of my video, you guys are going to give me feedback, like what you think about the whole look, foundation, and of course using this. So let's do this. Oh, the primer is from this. I don't know if you can see it. It's called Elf. It's my first time using it. Actually, I've never used a primer before, so hope I'm doing it correctly. I hear this is to set the foundation, and I'm really hopeful that we're gonna get good results after. Looking forward to this. And plus, I've never done a review of anything before or showed like done a video on how to apply foundation or any of that sort of kind. So I'm looking forward to see how this video turns out. It's time to do this now. I don't know how you guys do it, but for me I just go like this, like that. Just spread it out, and I'll blend it or spread it out using my brush, so there's no problem. Don't be like, oh, what's this girl doing? Okay. Oh, my battery's about to die. Okay, I think that's enough, and if it happens to be it's not, I'll just do it again. Okay. Oh, I put a lot. What do you guys, excuse me, what do you guys think so far? I'm yet to blend it properly, but Zaron. I saw the campaign that they did with our models. It was lovely. And I was like, why not? Let me try it out and see how it will be on my skin, my face. Look at that. I'm not yet done though. Wow. Guys, this is the first impression I had when I applied it, when I first bought it. That's like a week and a half ago. Okay, of course you have to make sure that you blend it nicely. There are people who prefer using a beauty blender. And I have a beauty blender, but today I just wanted to use this. I use this as well. It works for me the same way. So it all depends with what you like and how you like it. The secret is to just make sure that you spread it all out on your face. This side. For a very long time, I used to have a problem with getting a foundation to match my neck. So I'll apply foundation, then when I get here, you can clearly see like there's a mark because my face happens to be lighter than my neck. But this one, I think this one serves the purpose. I don't know. I used to do this a lot, to try and compare for a very long time, you know, getting a foundation that doesn't match your neck. But this works fine, I think. It shouldn't be like a mask, like you're wearing a mask, you know. Whew. That I have serious eye bags. What do you guys do to conceal your eye bags? I've tried. Some tell me, oh, you need to sleep, but mine is not about, I don't know, it's not about sleeping. I'm short-sighted, and when I struggle to, of course, when I want to see something that is far, I tend to squint like that. Or maybe that's a theory I've told myself to try and explain why I have eye bags. I try to conceal them. And I don't know if you guys had seen when I started applying this, before I applied, I have, it's about that time of the month, so I get my face breaks out, I get spots, anyway, you women understand what I mean. And with this foundation, you can't see any of that. It has concealed nicely. I mean, just look. I like how it's matching my neck, my complexion. Oh yeah, I was talking about the spots. It conceals them, so you don't have to use a concealer after you're done. You see, like there was a spot there. It's all gone. That's what we want, right? Perfect. It's like I'm applying makeup for the first time, to be honest. Like I stayed off makeup for a very long time, not a very long time, since the pandemic. And now getting back to it makes me feel like it's my first time. Oh yeah, about the spots. Like, you know, sometimes, yeah, if you're worried about your spots, or you don't want them to be seen, I'm sure you can see from this Zaron foundation. How look on my face. Oh yes, I take my time to make sure that I've rubbed it all in. Like, I take my time to apply my foundation, and that's how it should be, so that you don't look like you're wearing a mask. I already said that, and that this is a mistake that we. Sorry about that. It's just the door. This is something that we do. You when you're doing makeup. Sorry, just take your time. I mean, especially when you're applying, you're spreading out your foundation, because you don't want. There's a line. There's a normally a line if you haven't taken your time to blend it nicely, and it's you don't want to have that. Just take your time and make it flawless. Oh, I'll do my eyebrows later, then I'll show you guys the final. Look. I mean, this side, to be honest, I've never gotten a foundation that blends well with the rest of my, you know, complexion, my body. Since I said my face is lighter than my neck and the rest of my body. So I used to struggle a lot. When I get a lighter shade, I look Samantha, you know? It has that line. And when I get a darker shade, it looks like I've been burnt, like nimechomeka. So it was really a struggle, and I'm not a makeup artist, a guru, so blending, because sometimes there's some makeup artists used to tell me to mix, buy the normal shade that I normally buy, then buy another darker shade, then mix them up. But I mean, your time yote, we don't, you know? Anyway, yeah, so I wanted to show you guys, like, you can clearly, like, you can't really tell. See? That's around for you. Oh yes, I'll do the rest of my makeup off camera, then I'll show you the final product, and we can talk. We need to talk. If you didn't know about this, and this is not sponsored by the way, I'm just giving my genuine opinion about this, and based on my struggles, of course. I want you to also have the same. And it's so easy, you can do it yourself. Just quick, you're done. So I'll see you later. Did Zaron do it or it did not? Wait. An extra glue doesn't hurt. To just highlight my collarbones. What do you guys think about this particular foundation? I'm trying to be honest, my eyesight is bad, so that's why I'm using this small measure. I can't see myself from that. So what do you guys think? Done. Let me know what you think. I know this video is just everywhere, but I hope I managed to show you the difference, and looking forward to hearing from you.